2013. My name is Vane, and I'll be one of your MCs for tonight, and this is...
Hi everyone, hope you guys are all doing well today. My name is Diane, and I'll be your other MC. I hope you guys are ready, because we have an amazing show in store for all of you guys. So Into the Beat fashion show will be featuring 10 amazing mall fashion designers throughout the state of California. Are you guys excited?
Woo! I don't think they're excited. Just shout, give it up, just one more time for them in the back. That's more like it, because they want your support back there. But before we begin, we're going to start off by thanking our sponsors. Without their support and belief in us, this event would have been made possible. First, we'd like to thank Hmong Music Festival, HMF, for organizing an event where musicians and fashionistas can collab to showcase the creativity of the community. Next, we'd like to thank Paul Mitchell School for their hair creations on the models. Next, we'd like to thank Makeup Imaginarium for the amazing makeup skills.
No, the one over there.
And Pho King #1, located on Maple and Kings Canyon, serving Hmong, Thai, and Chinese food. So if you guys are hungry, stop by Pho King, one of the best pho places in town. And also, the Revive Fashion Show, to connect artists throughout California and strive to allow the talents of our community, inspiring youth to shine on the runway and to be a venue for the revival of the Hmong culture through fashion and design. So let's give it up for our sponsors, guys. And we have our lovely models.
So for those of you who may not know, the month of May is Hmong History Month. Fashion and music has changed greatly throughout the years in the Hmong community, but it has never lost its beauty and is the symbol and pride of the Hmong culture. Today, fashion designers from all over are using Hmong textiles and craftsmanship in everyday modern wear.